friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your Walgreens haul for the week of December the 11th. The first thing I want to talk about right off the cuff is some free 4x6 prints. So from your cell phone or desktop computer, order 5 4x6 prints and use the code at checkout ICE-FREE. Drive to the store, go pick them up at the photo department, and they should be free. I don't know when this is going to expire, but with Christmas just around the corner, if you like to send these smaller prints with your Christmas cards, I mean, how nice is that? Also, if you are a Dollar General shopper, this magical coupon showed up this morning, 5 off 20. All of my accounts got it. So this is on for Saturday the 17th. I will make a subsequent video with that. The P&G insert will be no longer a thing marching into 2023. This is a deal that most of us should be doing. So I will definitely be looking at the math very closely. But this is like an early Christmas gift from Dollar General. First piece of business I'd like to share with you guys is that Register Rewards are not printing. I had the issue around 10 o'clock here in Michigan. I know Don's Deals had the same issue where whatever you're buying in increments of 3, part of the weekly deals, these guys are not printing, at least my experience. So if you wanted to go shopping later in the week, say Monday or Tuesday, that might be a smarter thing. However, if you have an itch to go shopping, there's tons of hair care that are either really cheap or free. So we're going to dive into that and just talk about what I did. So the first is this Schwarzkopf for $2.99, original price point $12.49. Hair dye is one product that's really jumped up in price. So over on the coupons.com app, you'll get $4 back for purchasing this. And yes, you can buy clearance and still get that $4 back, as I was awarded that. Grabbing this Schwarzkopf for $2.99, you'll pay that, roll some Walgreens cash, whatever you want to do. Make the submission to the coupons.com app for $4. It makes it free plus $1.01 money maker. And if you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash so you're not really feeling this one out of pocket, absolutely go for it. I could only find one at my store, but if you can grab 2, and there's a $4 digital coupon for that, so utilize that and then still make a submission to coupons.com. It would make both of them like really good deals. So either way, 1 or 2, make it happen. The next really superb deal is on the Shea Moisture. A lot of these products I think are 75% off if this is your thing. So this guy was $3.79, and this morning we have a $3 digital that showed up. You will not get overage for any item. So if you're grabbing something for $2.79, the coupon probably won't attach. But for something like this, like $3.79, yes, this will attach. So $3.79, subtracting that digital, I paid 79 cents. And make sure to scan all the products because some of the items, some of the flavors or whatever, they weren't attaching with that digital coupon. So just be mindful of that. But to pay 79 cents for a product that's upwards of $13, that's a really good deal. The next deal is on more hair dye that's pretty cheap, and we had some really generous hair dye coupons that showed up this morning. So these guys are $4.79, so 50% off. A little tag photo for the ladies that like to look at the tags. So I grabbed 2 of these at the store. Sure, you have this digital coupon loaded, which is $7.99 off of 2. Looking at the math for this, 2 of the clearance hair dyes, $9.58, $7.99 off 2 digital coming off, and that came off no problems, no issues for me. $1.59 for the 2, very good deal. If you wish to use Walgreens cash, by all means go for it. With the clearance merchandise, just let you know, it's your mileage may vary, what your store might have in stock, what my store might have in stock. But typically, a lot of this hair care has been 50 to 70% for the last many weeks. It's just starting to line up right now with the different rebate apps and stuff. These do not, there's no Register Rewards involved with any of these deals. So if you wanted to grab some of these items, by all means, go and do this today. It's just some cheap products. You might want to walk down the food aisle or the clearance section. We have some top ramen beef flavor, 90% off at 10 cents. If that's your thing, I would definitely be on the lookout for this. Now, this is another deal that's really good this week. So these kits, even though it says $10, it's $9.99. We have a $2 digital coupon, so make sure you have that guy loaded. And then if you go over to your IBOTTA account, we're getting $5 back for this gift set. I also got 10 cents back for my Schwarzkopf as well, so that's pretty good. So grabbing that Olay gift set for $9.99, subtracting that $2 digital, you're paying $7.99, making that $5 submission to IBOTTA, making it $2.99, which is a really good value for that. Really nice Christmas gift for somebody as well. And if you wish to use Walgreens cash, you're doing this without a booster, by all means go for it. definitely crack open the box because at the very top there's 2 coupons. We have a 4 off a 2 for the premium Olay products and then a 4 off a 2 for the different deodorants. Valid till next September. Keep those coupons and gift the box. One more gift set that I could not find is this more fancy one. There's a $7 rebate back. If you might be so lucky to have a 20% off coupon, I think it's like $14.99 for that gift set. And if you can apply the 20% off coupon, there's extra savings there. But this IBOTTA app, I want to point something out. It says Meyer at the top, but it's valid at many stores because there's a little stack. It looks like it's stacked, like a bunch of cards below it. The icon that says Meyer at the top. If you scroll a little bit down, it says Meyer, Rite Aid, Walgreens. That's the store we're at, and then Walmart. A lot of people point that out in the comments saying, oh, you're at the wrong store. No. When you see that little stack in an icon, or if you go back and look down, fine print, that's the store. I wouldn't do that, but people love to point that out. They're like, you're wrong with the rebate. No, look at the fine print. Okay, the next deal that we have is courtesy of Dawn's Deals. So the 75 count wipes are $1.99, the Walgreens brand. The Palmolive for $1.25. We have a 75-cent digital, so it'll make it super uber cheap. And then guess what? Our famous toilet paper is back for $1.99. I guess they want everybody to try it. But yeah, from $4.99 down to $1.99 for the Walgreens brand toilet paper, very comparable to Charmin. Grabbing one of each, $1.99 toilet paper, $1.25 Palmolive, $1.99 disinfectant wipes. So here's the math. We have the toilet paper, the disinfectant wipes, and the dish soap. So the total is $5.23. Subtracting that 25-cent digital coupon, the new total is $4.48. I would use $4 in Walgreens cash and pay 48 cents and think this is the best deal ever because I think it's just a really fabulous one. If you're looking for some last minute toy deals, 40% off the Christmas toys. So a toy that might be $10 is down to $6. So if you need to grab extra little stocking stuffers, definitely check out Walgreens for toys this week. Okay, friends, let's talk about the booster deal that I did. I had a 5 back when you spend 20. I suspect a lot of you have this exact booster. So I just wanted to get a bunch of hairspray. It's 2 for $14. So the third one would ring up for $7 on a sales week. So that's what I did. I know a lot of you are like, I need to see the tag. Here's the tag. And the deal with this is a $5 register reward when you buy 3. That did not print out for me. I have a very nice manager who helped me out. I don't know why the register rewards are not printing. Lots of shoppers are reporting that to me. So 3 of them for $21. Of this digital coupon, which is a $5 off a 2 for the Tresemme. And yes, that one did come off. So just looking at the math again, 3 of these Tresemmes for $21. I have my booster loaded, which is 5 back when you spend $20. Subtracting that digital coupon, $16 with my debit card I paid. Got back a $5 register reward and $5 in Walgreens cash, making it 6 for the 3 or $2 per hairspray. That's usually $7.49 for one. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards as you're using a booster with this. And again, register reward didn't print. I got an extra $5 of Walgreens cash, just to note that. Before I take off, guys, let's have a quick little giveaway. To participate, you must be a subscriber to my channel. In the comments, tell me where you're from. For example, if you're from Columbus, Ohio, write Columbus, Ohio shopper, and that is your entry. 1 entry per shopper. The winner will be picked on December the 16th, which is next Friday, and it's only going to be 1 winner. And they'll have exactly a week to get back to me, either through Instagram or through email. And this is 100% free to participate, and I pay for shipping as well. As always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.